In response to public outcry and widely circulated social media videos showing incidents of phone snatching and attacks on suspecting victims in motor vehicles, joint operations by the police in Katwe and the UPDF were conducted around the clock tower area in Kampala, leading to the arrest of 18 suspects. The operations were aimed at curbing phone snatching, robberies, and other criminal activities within the area. It was established that the suspects had set up a camp along the Nachivubo channel in Katwe, that is in Katenda zone, which harbored them. The illegal structures have since been successfully demolished by the KCCA. Exhibits including knives, a hammer, and suspected narcotics were recovered. Similar joint operations led by Katwe police were carried out on the 6th of this month in West Zone, Base Zone, and Chibuye 1 Parish in Makindye Division, Kampala District, resulting in the arrest of over 100 suspects. All suspects are currently in police custody pending court proceedings.